Test 1. Will a Zippo work with white gas camp fuel? Let's find out. It's a nice day out. I pour it in the cap so I don't get too much. If it doesn't work, I'll just try it out with the normal stuff. Time to find out. I'm on the concrete, so if I have to set it down, putting a little on the wick. If I have to drop it, I can without burning anything. So I'm on the concrete. It smells the same. I think this one's from the 1950s. I don't even know if it works yet. Alright. Get it off my hands. Say I drop it. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Sparked right up. Good to know in a pinch. Is it staying lit? Yeah, it's staying lit. Oops. Goes out. Oh. It's not lighting up again though. Will it light again? Try dipping this in it. See if I can get it to light twice. Might just have to put it on the wick part. Jesus, has never been opened. Alright, let's see if I can get it all the way in the sponginess. Wait until it drips. Oh, there it goes, dripping. Okay. Feel free to tell me Zippo culture, if there's anything you can add to this. I'm not in any Zippo clubs or anything. Just seeing if I can get this to work so I can do some barbecuing without having to run to the store. Okay. Try again. Yeah, it lit up when I poured it on the fuse, but I don't know if it's gonna light up when it's in the sponge part. Let me know what that sponge part's called, if you know. Bam! Fired right up. And burn it off the outside. Let's see if it'll go out. Of course. And try again. Ow, hot. Boom. Actually works better than lighter fluid. I think I'm going to use this from now on. Cool. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. I'll record how to make a grill out of Pyrex glass and a simple grate next. Simple, easy living. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Love you guys.